In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image on Squarespace in just around 5 minutes. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. It's important to start here because Squarespace is a robust platform allowing you to create beautiful websites. And it's also where you'll manage all your content, including images. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, your next step is to log in to your account. There's a handy login button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will start the sign-in process. For those of you who prefer the convenience of using your existing Google account to log in, Squarespace has you covered. After clicking on login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Selecting this option speeds up the process by using your Google credentials instead of creating a new set just for Squarespace. After you choose to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Click on the account you want to use and you're almost there. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate to your website. If you're managing multiple sites on Squarespace, make sure you select the correct one. Often there's a direct link to go to your website that takes you straight to your site's dashboard. Your website's dashboard is where the magic happens. Now, look for an edit option, often visible as edit or symbolized by a pencil icon. This action will take you to the editing interface of your Squarespace site. The beauty of Squarespace lies in its block-based editing system. To add an image, you'll need to click on Add Block. Blocks allow you to add various types of content to your site, and lucky for us, there's a block specifically for images. After clicking to add a block, choose the image block. It's designed specifically for uploading and displaying images and offers a variety of customization options. Now, to actually upload your image, click on the plus icon within the image block. This action opens up the options for adding content to your block. Here you'll want to select Upload File to proceed with adding your image. Browsing your computer, find the image you wish to upload. This can be any image you have the rights to use, such as personal photos or images you've purchased. Having selected your image, the final step within Squarespace is to click Save. This confirms the addition of your image to your website. Make sure to review how it looks among your other content. Squarespace automatically scales your images to ensure they look great on all devices, but you still might want to adjust its placement or size to better fit your layout. And there you have it. Uploading an image to your Squarespace site is a straightforward process that significantly enhances your site's visual appeal. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So choosing the right images is crucial for capturing your audience's attention. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make the most out of your Squarespace website.